Hi guys, it's good to have you guys here. You can now say your hi now.
Hi guys, my name is Jonah and I'm here with Roma's TV, and today we'll be talking about important gists, sweet gists. Stay tuned.
You see the way I allowed her to take the floor, just to remind you guys that she's my elder sister. So elders, they have to talk before the younger ones talk.
Yes.
Anyway guys, it's good to have you on my channel. This is Roma TV, and yes, like she said, we're talking about hot gist. A lot has been happening in our society, from one news to another news. So on this channel, both of us, we're going to be, giving our opinion. It's not as if you guys need the opinion about, it's just how we feel. We're giving our opinion on what we think is wrong or what we think is right, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you guys should stay tuned. Welcome back. So if you guys are familiar with Instagram, you know what happens on Instagram.
Those juicy
juicy
G's.
Let's say actresses G's, Nollywood actors G's. We hear that this one went to go and sleep with somebody's husband, or this one went to go and sleep with somebody's wife. People not being faithful in the industry. Well, we're not calling anybody's name. We're not calling anybody's name allegedly before they come and not saying that we do anything, but then it's just a story and it can be treated as
news
or
gist
or rumor.
Who
cares? So I want to read something from my phone on what is trending. Right, a whole lot has been happening. Yes, there is one particular actress. Yeah, she's very beautiful. She's light-skinned. She's, she has a good shape. Even when she did her wedding on this internet, a lot of us,
I was admiring that wedding.
Yeah.
I was one of the persons that would say, "Oh God, when,
Yeah.
Anyway,
I don't think it's even up to 6 years.
It's not even up to 3 years. It's not up to 3 years or even 6.
Okay.
Don't go far.
Don't go far. But recently she posted on her Instagram page where she was writing some words, and at the time of checking this news, that post has gotten more than 4,000
views,
comments, comments,
oh
4,000 comments. Showing that a lot of people are saying the one that concerns them and the one that does not concern them. Now, what did she say on Instagram? She was saying something like, "What will you do if you find out that the man you are dating is sleeping with a married woman with kids?"
So this word.
You asked him about it, but he totally denies it, saying they are just friends, and you completely believe him. You eventually got married to him. Your husband always hypes the married woman in public, but privately your husband tells you how local his friend is, just to manipulate you so you would not suspect a thing. That's what you do for a relationship.
I know those no, because these days, relationships self now hellfire.
Wow. So even people that are even married say they see help. Talk less of those that are even single. Moving forward. Page 2. Yeah. She now said, maybe you should read this one.
She now said, "But one day, as God will have it, you got evidence and found out your husband and the said lady were never just friends. He has been sleeping with the married woman. They constantly meet up either in his apartment when he goes to work or in a hotel. She also leaves her husband's house to go meet him in his apartment, in hotels. Yet, this same man judges and castigates single girls who sleep with married men. I beg oh.
Curtain black. Be acting as if he's not innocent. But then we don't know if this actress is talking about who everybody is saying he's talking about. We don't really
allegedly
know. So let's do
no, I've not done yet.
You're not done.
Not long after getting married, you notice that he is now comparing you to this married side chick. I don't kill him. But we'll continue first.
Calm down.
You find out that he even visits her at home, unknowingly to her husband. On some occasions, he visits while her husband is around, because the married side chick husband also believes your husband is just friends with his wife.
This is unfortunate. There is still page 3.
I beg.
You don't tire. Sorry. So now, page 3, she went on to now say, this married side chick even attended your wedding and had no problem with it, because like she had no problem with her attending the wedding because you thought they were just friends. That's why when I hear some girls, they say, I don't have friends, I don't want to have female friends, blah blah blah. They know what they are saying. It's not as if they are bitter, or it's not as if they just want to be lonely or be a sadist. It's because of probably what they see on internet or what they have experienced. It is unfortunate. But now you have evidence of both of them meeting up in hotels, doing stops by stops. You should know what I'm trying to say. They were doing stops, and your so-called husband telling her how much he misses her while he's still married to you. Is that not betrayal of the highest order? Because why would you marry somebody if you're not ready to be with the person to the end?
As in, people now marry their enemies. So people marry their enemies. Can you imagine?
And now the question she's now asking us is, would you remain married to such man?
Me, I will not remain married to such man, because if I continue in that marriage, hey, he will be paralyzed. He will not know when and how. Let's continue.
Okay.
Because it's so painful. Betrayal, heartbreak. Anyway, continue.
It's really painful. There's a lot of betrayals in this. Like we said, we don't know if this story is centered to who everybody is saying it is centered to, but it doesn't actually concern us. But from our own point of view, if you ask me, I feel like if you're a man, you want to get married, make sure that whoever is your exes or whoever you have been doing things with, they stay in the past. Don't still continue with them because of let's say maybe according to you, you still love the person, you still feel for the person, but this one is not love. Okay. This one is not love, because the person that this man was even busy following around, frolicking around, is married, has kids, and according to the gist again, and then the rumor is that the lady in question has 4 kids. Everybody looks up to this man. Like they see him as, even though before now that this woman said what she said, a lot of people have been saying, oh, this man sleeps with girls in the industry, he does this in the industry. Even on the day of their wedding, there's even a video that even showed where the woman was even praising the husband, saying that he's not a cheat, he's not this, he's not that. Now they are no longer together, but we don't really know what happened. We don't really know what happened. But to the men out there that you feel like this is fun, you belong to this industry, it's not even about them in this industry. Even in other industries, you find men not being contented with the woman that they are married to. Or is it a case of, let's say, because that woman is very rich, according to the investigation of that online people are investigating, maybe the woman is even funding him or giving him money. I don't really know, because definitely there is this syndrome of they are sugar men doing sugar duties to sugar women too. I don't really know how to put it. So is it that maybe it is money that I don't really know. I want to hear something from you.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say because I'm angry. This is not a good news. I don't like what is happening. Can you imagine, men? You can't keep your.
If it happens to you, what would you do?
I said it before.
Say it again.
Paralysis. You will not know when and how.
But what if the man has his valid reasons?
There is no serious reason. In fact, no reason for a man to be following another married woman. For what? What for?
Do you think that
there's nothing happen? There's no dialogue.
Wait.
There is no dialogue because this is betrayal.
Wait. A woman finds out that the husband is following a married woman. The husband is cheating on her. In
fact, that married woman, I will make sure the evidence I will send it to the husband. Then I will send it to
what if the husband is aware?
AIT channels, CNN, everybody will see it.
What if the husband is aware that the woman is
the husband
and the husband does not know what to do? You know there are some men that are married to some women that they cannot even control the woman. That they cannot control the woman. What I'm trying to say in essence is that there is always a reason why people do some certain things. I am not just
there's no reason for cheating. But
don't you think in such a case the woman should my husband come on?
There's nothing like that.
Why did you do what you did
from the beginning? From the beginning, he has started. Once you taste sugar, won't you test it again?
You taste it again. But don't say that change can happen.
There's no change.
Or what if the woman on her own part is not satisfying the husband the way she wants to satisfy the husband, and the husband now keeps going out to this married woman?
Men are selfish. Just remember that. There's nothing certify. Is food? Is it food?
Wait.
Certify what?
It might be the case.
No,
It might be
there's
the
no
case.
valid, no disciplined man. No disciplined man, a man that has self-respect will be behaving like that. Will be following another married woman. What for?
So now, what do you think the society should do to married women that go after married men? Do you think it's something that should be normalized?
Me, I don't know in this case.
What society
know.
should do?
I don't know. Everybody
So
with
they
their own wahala. Make carry am. Make carry am. Make I don't even know. Society say get your own problem. Society get your own problem. I don't know. It is well. Hey.
So meaning married women should continue to be following married men.
If
Married
it-
men should be going.
See, maybe
but
your
think about
husband
their
is not.
children.
Maybe your husband is not certifying you well. Maybe that's a reason. But
That's what
society
society
cannot
say.
help you. Society cannot help you. Society get problem.
But what makes up the society is me and you now.
Uh-huh.
So what
I
do you think you should
I
do?
cannot help anybody. I need help.
Okay,
So
okay. I think
everybody. That's why we have therapists.
oh, that's
They
number
should
one.
go and
Okay,
do
go for
therapy.
therapy, go for counseling. You know, maybe by the time both of you go for counseling, or whoever this thing is affected with or to, you go for counseling, and probably once they talk to you, talk one
Or you leave the house to avoid
or you just divorce.
suicide
Yes,
or
and
killing
please
or death.
don't say I have children, I have to raise. For those that have children and they find out that their husband is cheating, don't say because of your children you want to stay back and continue to be disrespected. And for you that if you don't have children, please still carry yourself.
Just
and-
remember infections, because
Yeah.
infection is real. It can
Very
kill.
real, very
it can
real.
reduce, make you lose weight.
Exactly. Anyway, guys, so we'll come to the end of today, and I'm very sure you enjoyed this small video of ours.
Yes,
I'm very sure you enjoyed this. Please
Yes,
click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification. If you're a first-time subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and share this video. And if you are, you have been coming to my channel when I'm live streaming, and you have turned on your post notification earlier and you were able to come across this video, thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. So till we come away next time, see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Clock it.